Let's discover the wonders of the world. Have you ever wondered what makes the world so magical? Today, we're traveling to some of the most incredible places on Earth, sites so amazing that they've been called the wonders of the world. Let's dive in and discover their secrets together. The wonders of the world are extraordinary places filled with beauty, history, and mystery. These sites tell amazing stories about how humans and nature created jaw-dropping landmarks. From ancient pyramids to towering statues, you'll be amazed by what can be found around our planet. Let's start with the Pyramids of Giza in Egypt, the only remaining ancient wonder. These giant stone structures served as tombs for kings. Imagine the hard work it took to build them thousands of years ago using just simple tools. They remind us how clever humans have always been. Not all wonders are man-made. Have you heard of the Grand Canyon? It's a natural wonder carved by a river over millions of years. Its deep red rocks and massive size show just how powerful and creative nature can be. It's like Earth's very own artwork. Next, we travel to India to see the beautiful white marble building, the Taj Mahal. Built over 400 years ago by Emperor Shah Jahan to honor his wife, Mumtaz Mahal, it's known as a symbol of love and is one of the most famous landmarks in the world. Surrounded by lush gardens and reflecting pools, the Taj Mahal shines brightly under the sun and glows in the moonlight, making it a magical sight for everyone to see. The Great Wall of China is another fantastic wonder. This long, winding wall stretches for thousands of miles. Imagine walking on a wall so big you can see it from space. Are you ready to go on a time travel almost 2,000 years back? The Roman Colosseum is a giant stone amphitheater in Rome, Italy, built by the ancient Romans. It was used for exciting events like gladiator fights, animal shows, and even mock sea battles. The Colosseum could hold thousands of people, making it one of the biggest stadiums ever built in its time. Today, it's a famous landmark where visitors can imagine the thrilling shows that once took place there. These wonders teach us about history, creativity, and the power of nature. Which one would you like to visit first? Keep exploring, ask questions, and let your imagination soar. Hit subscribe and join us for more exciting adventures around the globe. Let's discover the wonders of learning together.